Yesterday, you learned about identities. You learned how to take these identities and write expressions in terms of sine and cosine. Today, you will learn about how to take expressions and condense them down into one trigonometric expression. Let's recall our reciprocal identities. I want you to take a minute, pause the video, and write the reciprocal identities. And I'm noticing cosecant of x is missing right here. There we go. So I want you to take a minute and fill in all of the reciprocal identities for tangent of x, cotangent of x, secant of x, and cosecant of x. Okay, let's review. Tangent of x is equal to sine of x over cosine of x. And because tangent's reciprocal is cotangent, we could also say that tangent of x is 1 over cotangent. Cotangent of x is equal to cosine of x over sine of x. And because cotangent of x is the reciprocal for tangent, we can say that cotangent of x is equal to 1 over tangent of x. Secant of x. Secant of x identity is 1 over cosine of x, and cosecant of x identity is 1 over sine of x. Now, let's use the identities that we learned and let's practice the warm-up rewriting expressions in terms of sines and cosine.